It's about a girl named Fanny Bryce, who is an actress in New York on Broadway. And at this point in the show, she's talking about how she's not going to let anyone else hold her back anymore, and she just wants to go for her dreams and do what she wants to do.